Good morning, children. Today I am going to explain about the social fourth lesson. What is the name of the lesson? Houses. So, house is very important for everyone, na? So, we need house to live with our family. So, in this lesson we learn about what are houses, how the houses are constructed, types of houses, and also we learn about different rooms and different purpose. Why do they are in house? There are so many rooms and how they used for different purpose. We learn about our houses we live in. Understood? In this lesson we learn about our houses we live in. Why we need house. Understood? So different types of houses. We also learn about different types of houses in this lesson. So what is house? House is very important for everyone to live now. So house, a place where we live with our family, is called house or home. Understood? What is house? It is a place we live with our family members, are called house. Why we need house? Because house protect us from heat, cold, rain, winds and storm. It protects us from enemies like wild animals, thieves and robbers. So house is very need for everyone. So what is the uses of house? House protect us from heat, cold, rain, winds and storm. And also it protect us from enemies like wild animals, thieves and robbers. In ancient times, human beings who lived in caves, but he had to face attack from wild animals. So now we do not today we don't have such a risk as we live in buildings made up of most modern materials. The people lives in small houses and big houses also and tall buildings. They are very strong and protect us from hot summer, cold winter, and they save from wild animals also. So there are so many types of houses. For population in cities and towns have been increasing at a alarming time. That means alarming means they increase very quickly. These places are highly populated. Which places are highly populated? Cities. The availability of land is very less and people are now shifting to the construction of apartments. So population cities is more known. So the places are highly populated, though there is a land is very less. So people shifting to the construction of apartments. So in this lesson different types of houses and different purpose. So now you learn about what are the rooms in house. There are 4 rooms: kitchen, bedroom, living room, dining room. These are the important rooms. What is kitchen? What do you see in kitchen? You know. See, this is the room has wash basin, utensils and gas stove. Food is cooked in this room. What do you do in kitchen? Food is cooked. And also what are the things, materials in kitchen? There is a wash basin is there, utensils are there and gas stove also there. So that is a kitchen. And also in house there is a bedroom. Bedroom means it is a sleeping place. All family members sleep in that room. This has what in the bedroom? What has in the bedroom? The bedroom has cots and cupboards. Understood? So this room is called bedroom. Next, living room. The guests come there and sit in this room. Who sit in this room? The guest. This is the room used for general purpose. Living room is used for general purpose. It has a sofa set, small tables, a television and other decoration, items of decoration. When guests come, they sit in this room. That room is called living room. Next, dining room. Room has dining table and chairs. Family members eat their food in this room. We use different materials for construction of new house. Understood? So, this room is a dining table and chair. Family members eat and food in this room. Now which are the materials used for construction of new house? Have a look at. There is one of the figure is given. What are the things used for constructing the construction for a new house? Stone, twigs, bricks, sand, iron rods, timbers, cement, mud, iron nails, stones, slate, asbestos sheets. So these are all the things for construction of different types of houses. Understood? So next we learn about types of houses. Which are the types of houses? Do you know? There are many types of houses are there. Pakka houses, kacha houses, igloos, tents, caravan, houseboats, tree houses. So there are 7 types of houses are given. Now learn about one by one in detail. Understood? First one, pakka houses. What are pakka houses? These houses are permanent houses and they are found in cities. They are built of wood, bricks, steel and cement. These are very strong, last for long period of time. There are 3 kinds of pakka houses: bungalows, flats in multi-story buildings. So these are all the examples for pakka house. What are the pakka house? What are the characteristics? Which are the materials used for pakka house? These are all the permanent houses. Where you found these type of pakka houses? In cities. Now what are the materials to construct the pakka houses? Wood, brick, steel and cement. So these are all the important things for construction of pakka houses. They are very strong and they last for long period. So there are 3 types of pakka houses. How many types of pakka houses? 3 types. Which are the 3 types of pakka houses? Bungalows, flats in a multi-story buildings. Next you learn, childrens. The cities, flats, bungalows, flat in multi-story buildings are constructed in a small place so that more people can stay in one place. Many flats can be constructed in a small pieces of lands. Understood? Next, kacha houses. Kacha houses are found in villages. Where you found the kacha houses? The kacha houses are found in villages. The village people live in the houses that are made up of from bamboo, straw, mud. Understood? Kacha houses are found in villages. Their roofs are made of mud and straw. These houses are last for short period of time. So this is the features of kacha house. Next, temporary houses. People who want to live temporarily in a particular place build the temporary houses. They last for short time. They are not made with strong materials, or these houses are built with mud, wood, bamboos and thatched roofs. These houses fall down due to the heavy rain or storm. They are rebuilt. Such houses are called temporary houses. Understood? What is temporary houses? The houses are made for temporary only. They built in temporary houses. They last for short time. They are not made of strong materials. These houses are built with mud, wood, bamboos and thatched roofs. These houses fall down due to the heavy rains or storm. They are rebuilt. Houses are called temporary houses. Next, mud house. Its walls and floor is made up of mud. Its roofs is made up of dry grass or dry leaves of some places. Do you know mud houses? Its wall and floor is made up of mud. Its roof is made up of dry grass and or dry leaves of some plants. Some place. Next, bamboo houses. Bamboo houses, walls are made up of bamboos. The houses may have mud floor. Its roof is made up of straw or dry grass. These are called bamboo house. Igloos. Igloo are dome-shaped houses made up of ice slabs. Eskimos, the tribal people live in igloos and snow has been covered throughout of the year. Houses are made up of ice called igloo. Understood? So, what is the shape of the igloos? Dome shaped houses made of ice slabs. Eskimos, the tribal people live in igloos. The snow has been covered throughout the year. Houses made up of ice called igloo. So next, mobile houses. What is the next? Mobile houses. What is mobile house? The houses which can be moved from one place to another. Such houses are called mobile houses. There are three types of mobile house: caravan, tents, houseboat. So caravana means is a house on wheels. It can be pulled by a car. Many people can travel in this. This is called caravan. Second type of mobile is tents. Tents are made up of cloths called canvas or nylon, and it can be fixed anywhere and it is easily shifted from one place to another place. These tents are used for people in desert. Third one is houseboat. What is houseboat? A house made on boat is called boat house. It floats on water. Houses, boats or lakes of Kashmir and Kerala are very popular. Houseboats are used for tourist places also. So this is houseboat. Next, tree houses. Houses made up of tree is called as tree house. Generally, we can see tree houses in parks. So these are all the types of houses. Understood? Once again, we recall what we learned today. What do you learn in this lesson? What do you learn, children? We learn about houses. What is house? House is a place where the family members are live is called house. What is the uses of house? Why we need house? We need house to house protect us from heat, cold, winds and storm. And also it protect us from enemies like wild animals, thieves and robbers. So in ancient period, where did the human beings live? He live in caves. So it had to face attacks from wild animals. So nowadays today we don't have this like risk. We live in buildings. The population in cities, towns have increasing at the alarming rate. So the population in cities, they are highly populated. So it is very less and the land is less. The peoples are now shifting to the construction of apartment. So there are, when we call the house is a many features or many type of rooms. They are kitchen, bedroom, living room, dining room. What is kitchen? Which are the materials found in kitchen? In kitchen, we cooked in this room and wash basin, utensils and gas stove we find in kitchen. Bedroom is the place of sleeping of the family members. This in room, what you see in that room? Cots and cupboards. Living room means when the guest came there and sit in this room. It is used for general purpose. It has sofa set, say, small table, television and other items for decoration in this room. Next, dining room. Dining room is a dining table and chair. Family members eat their food and this in this room. Next, we learn which are the materials used for construction of new house. Stone, twigs, bricks, sand, iron rods, asbestos, sheets, slate, timber, cement, mud, iron nails. Which are the materials used for construction of new house. So there are so many types of houses. Pakka house and kacha house. In pakka house, they are very strong, permanent. These are the permanent houses, and they are very strong. So they last for long period. So there are two types of pakka houses: bungalows, flats in multi-story buildings. So in kacha house means they are seen villages. Their roofs are made up of mud and straw. These houses last for short period of time. So temporary houses, the people who want to temporarily in a particular place build temporary houses. There are so many types of temporary houses: a mud house, a bamboo house, igloo. Understood? Mud house. Walls and floors are made up of mud. Its roof is made up of dry grass. And bamboo house, in walls are made up of bamboos. The house have been mud floor. Its roof is made up of straw. And igloos are dome shaped houses made up of ice slabs. Mobile houses, there are three types: caravan, tents, and houseboats. And tree houses also made up of made on tree is known as tree house. Generally we can see this type of trees in parks. Understood, children? These are all the important things we learn in this lesson. So in this lesson we learn the houses should be strong and safe place. They should be proper sanitary condition. They should be good facility for drainage. Good ventilations by having the doors and windows. They allows the fresh air. There should be enough space for plants and trees. Good parking space for space and gardening. The house should be get enough sunlight. Sunlight kills the disease causing the germs. These are all the important things. Sweet home. Houses protect us from sun, rain, wind, and enemies. Different people live in different types of houses. They are big house, small house, pakka house, and kacha house. Pakka houses are built on wood, brick, steel, and cement. Kacha houses are made up of mud and straw. Houseboats and caravanas are mobile houses. We see the houseboats on the Lake of Kashmir. Tents and igloos are temporary houses. The caravana is a house of wheels. An igloo is built of blocks of hard snow. In cities, many people live in flats. In villages, many people live in houses made of mud and straw or of wood. These are all the important things we learn in this lesson. So, children, I think all of you understand about this lesson. Now, we learn about what are the important question answers in this lesson. What do you learn? What are the questions in this lesson? Do you know what are the important questions? Why do we need house? We need house. We protect us from sun, rain, and cold. So house is very important for everyone. It is a place of protect. It is a place of safe. Give the protect from wild animals also. So next question. What is the next question? Do you know what is the next question is? The next question is, what are the materials required to construct a new house? What are the things? We use cement, mud, iron rods, asbestos sheets, timber, stones, bricks, sand, etc. What are temporary houses? The houses are built for temporary only. So these houses are built with mud, wood, bamboos, and thatched roof. These houses fell down due to the heavy rain or storm. What are mobile houses? Mobile houses which can be moved from one place to another place. Such houses are called mobile houses. What are permanent houses? Pakka houses are called permanent houses. So these are the things we learn in this lesson. So I think all of you understand about this lesson. I continue in next class. Children, 1 or 2 times you read the lesson. Then you easy to understand about the lesson and you write the test or exam in very well. Thank you. Till now, goodbye.